Ooh, I look like I just came out of a magazine. Okay.
Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want this, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and welcome Lagalaka, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, we are reviewing a lovely unit from Wiggins. I haven't done their wig in a long time, like I haven't installed a wig from them in a long time. It is a glueless wig. It is said that it is a body wig. It is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut for you. I honestly want to see. It says here it is a beginner friendly wig, human hair, and the closure is HD. So I really want to see that. We're hoping that it melts onto our skin. I hope that it gives that. This is the bag that the wig comes in, you guys. So delivery took 1.5 weeks, and they deliver via Aramax, and I see that Aramax in South Africa is super fast. So it does come with lashes, a spoolie and a brush as well as a glue control, and also a wig band as well, and a wig cap. This is the wig straight out of the box. It is a 24-inch and it is a large size cap. It's HD lace, undetectable lace, and it says skin melt transparent, and this is a 7x4. So this is supposedly the one that should look like an ear to ear, but not like really an ear to ear. So it starts over here and it ends over here, so when you're wearing it, it gives off like that it is a ear to ear or 13x4, but it's not. It is a body wig. Also came with these. I finally understand now what these are. It's like a sticker for a glueless wig, so that if you feel like it's not sitting properly, or if you're afraid that it will fall off, this is sort of like a glue. Well, it's not a glue, it's something that helps it not move around if you're afraid of it to move around. This is the wig, you guys, straight out of the box. It does come with a wig band, or a glueless wig band, whatever. You can adjust it to fit your head, or you can make it smaller or bigger, up to you really how you want it to sit. It also comes with these adjustable straps as well as 3 combs. Yeah, it has 3 combs inside here. The wig is pre-bleached for you, but obviously it wouldn't be to my skin color, so I still need to go in with a bit of my foundation so that it suits my skin. This is the wig on my skin. This is how it looks. These are the curls. Can you see them? I don't even think that I need to do more work here, like in terms of curling it, because it does come straight out of the box like this. So I love that about this wig. This is how it looks now. Let's see on my skin, how is it gonna look? Can you see? It's a bit better than how it was previously, but I guess once I put it on my head, you'll see the difference. Guys, I haven't done anything. It's just me putting it on, and it's already giving. I love that so much, Kasana. I am happy. I am super happy about that. Guys, what do you mean? Pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut for you. Also, pre-styled. The curls. I love it so much. I haven't done anything. Can you see? So this is a 7x4, so this is the 7. This is what they mean when it is a 7. So it starts from here, it ends from here, and a 4 is this. It starts from here, it ends from here, and you usually see 5x5. A 5x5 would be longer than this, and a 6 as well would be longer than this, but this is it, you guys. This is a 7x4. It's already giving scalp, but I still want to go in with a little bit of mousse over here so that it can give like more scalp, and it can sit like much more nicer and properly, and all of those things. I think this wig is sitting like good and perfect and beautiful, but you know, I think I'm used to this, so I'm just gonna do it anyway. I'm just gonna use the spoolie that we received, and also the wig band. You see, that's why I love goodies, because you know, why would you get a new wig and it does not come with nice goodies?
Waited all my life for someone like you to show. Now that you're mine, it's so hard to take things slow. Oh, Don't wanna wait another day, don't wanna fight.
If you guys are wondering, this wig does come in a 5x5 as well if you would like a 5x5, but it also comes in this, which is a 7x4. I love this so much. As a person who likes like a full installation, which is a 13x4, I think I would prefer this one more than the 5x5, because this one gives an illusion that this is a 13x4 and it looks like it has been installed. And once you go in with mousse, it literally looks like a proper install. It's not like a 5x5 where we could see that okay, it starts from here and ends here and it's not a full installation. This one, if these like the end parts are hidden, people would think that it is a 13x4. It is such a lovely unit as well. It is 250 density. The density is everything. It's super full. That's what I am currently enjoying about this wig. Another nice thing about glueless wigs is that it can be installed by literally anyone, and it is also beginner friendly. It's super easy to install. It's a wear and go, so you don't need much effort. The only thing that you do, put your wig on, put mousse over here, and then you're ready to go. You don't need like much effort, and even at night you can take it off, put it off there, and you don't need to be sleeping with it, so that you don't like constantly need to wash the hair all the time, because you don't sleep in the wig, so which means you won't need to wash it like all the time. So I love that about my glueless wigs. I'm not sure how many times I've washed my glueless wig, and that's because they are glueless, so they don't need like constant washing as well.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun side by side.
I'm hoping for the best, hoping for the it looks so good. It looks so good. I'm happy. Does it look at this? Oh, it looks so nice and beautiful, stunning. Kestana, it looks like it just came out of a magazine. Okay, look at this. I got an advertisement. I can lovely. I say nice is so beautiful. I am in love. Okay, guys, this looks super nice and luscious and beautiful. I am super in love. Look at that. Look at that glueless wig, Kestan. Literally, if I would walk next to you, you wouldn't know that this is a 7x4. It's definitely giving a 13x4. It's giving ear to ear installation. It does not look like a glueless install as well. Another thing, I told you that a 5x5, you can literally tell that it is not like installed like a 13x4, but this one, it definitely looks like that. Look at the construction of the wig. Such a beautiful unit, gorgeous as well. The pre-plucking you can see over here, the pre-cut as well, and the pre-bleach. This is the length over here. This is a 24-inch wig, as you can see over here. I mean, if you wanted to be straight as well, you can make it straight, but I am enjoying it the way it is. I'm super happy with how it looks. It is super full as well. This is such a beautiful unit, man. I love it so much. Let me know what you think about this installation. Is this something that you would get? That's it. This is banging. This is beautiful. Okay, let's do the glueless test, showing you that this wig is glueless. Oh, that's it. Can you see? Oh, I'm just lifting my mousse, but you can see that it is glueless. In fact, I did it in front of you guys. I don't want to lift this. I think I might go in with a bit of the mousse again, because I just wanted to prove this to you. Can you see? It is a glueless install. Can you see? Glueless wig install. Oh my god, now I have to go in with a bit of my mousse again, because I still wanted to slay. So if you want your glueless wig like to look like it has been installed using glue, go in with mousse, because it looks super perfect and super like intact. It looks beautiful. It looks like it has been glued down using glue.
I will make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to more. So I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break.
That is it from me. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you did enjoy this video. Every little detail with regards to this hair will be in my description box. There's also a discount code over there, and this hair is super like affordable hair, so you can manage to get this at an affordable price, especially using the discount code. The hair is nice and lush, so make sure to treat yourself, man. It is a 7x4. It is a gorgeous unit, so check it out, man. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope to see you in my next upload. So yeah, I will see you in my next upload. Love you, love.
Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want